with him, guys.
All right, Josh.
I'm going wood. Go ahead, go. Take what you got. Okay.
Go, Josh, go, go, go. Just go, 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 go.
Hand on. We're all ready? I got you.
It's clear.
Yeah, bro. We don't play around. You ready? You want to troll and take him out the other direction?
No.
Is that a Glock 18C I see?
Yes,
It is.
I had that. Is it Wii?
No, it is Tokyo Marui.
Mine broke and I had to throw mine away.
Dang.
What's our time, ref?
I'll have 30 seconds left.
Stay over there. I'll cover it. In case they get me, you'll still be okay.
No, protect your head in case they're coming in. Or just like protect your head.
Alright, 10 seconds. He now fights for you.
All right. Get him out of here. Watch the window.
Hey, hey, can we get you to cover the window? Josh, you out here? Yeah, get you in. Get you in. Hey Josh, we're gonna rotate. You come over here, I'm gonna go over there.
Yeah, I got two on this side.
Head.
All right, it's clear. Oh, there's one. Back corner.
We got him.
Word.
Alright, that's game over. Game over.
Switching sides.
Alright, guys. We're going to switch sides.
Good job, bud.
Does somebody else want to be the CO?